Hey folks, we are here at the kitchen we just recently remodeled, and I have the homeowner, of course, a good client of ours, Mr. Shivesh, and I'm going to ask him how his experience was with us of doing this project. Thank you, Mr. Shivesh, for the opportunity. How did you like the design and the project that we executed for you?
So overall, it was very positive experience for me. Right from the inception, when you guys came here to do the design, like a lot more than what we anticipated to be done with this kitchen. So the design came up very nice, right? And then given, the pandemic situation where material, labor, everything was an issue, I really appreciate that you guys kept me abreast with all the happenings that were. The kitchen was started on time, finished on time as per our expectation, even during these stretching times. So that was very, very well appreciated by my wife especially.
Oh, great.
Yeah, and overall, after the design, we knew how it was going to look at, but the actual kitchen has come up to be much better than how we anticipated it. So overall, pretty pleased, with the selection of the material, the workmanship, craftsmanship, wherever, no issues so far. About 2 months that we have been using it.
Okay,
and
great.
So yes, I think it was very nice to have you guys. And to be honest, I called several contractors, right? I would have interviewed like about 5 or 6, and the vibes that I was getting, talking to you guys, I was a hunch that it'll come out nice. So I'm really glad that it
Great,
worked out.
great. We appreciate it. Thank you for your business, and hopefully you will recommend us to your friends and family.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Shivesh, for the opportunity. Okay, folks, thank you very much. Let us know if you have any questions about this kitchen and our other beautiful kitchens.